Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA I think is worth an update because GALA did break out of this triangle that we had on the chart here. In my last update we were here at the support line of the triangle, and it was really here key decision point for GALA, because until then it could have been that GALA will make a 5-wave move to the upside, could have pushed higher from here, and then we could have had a first impulse that could have taken us out of this correction. But what GALA did instead, it could not manage to hold above the 50-day moving average that you can see here in orange, and which is coming down, which is, by the way, currently sitting at 29 cents. And this probably also pushed the price down a little bit, as the price in the recent candle could not push above this 50-day moving average any longer. So now that this triangle pattern was broken to the downside, it gave you I gave you my view that if we break this support line, basically at 29 cents, that we will then come down to the next Fibonacci retracement level at 23.5 cents. That is also the level which is the higher or the upper level of my target box down here. We already were in the target box. This is the target range sitting between the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level and the 78.6%. And this is the area where I expect a turnaround, which doesn't mean that the price could not land again in the target area before and consolidate a little bit before we get the turnaround here. Of course, if we lose the 15.6 cent level, then we have a last chance to hold here the 7 cent level. But I hope we won't do that. That would mess up the chart a little bit. I hope we get a clean recovery here and will then start to move up from here. However, I think we are going to see the 23.5 cent once more. We're now already at 25.6 cents, and I think we're going to drop further. Obviously, this was a last opportunity here, I think, for the price to move higher. I mean, it's still possible. Nothing is invalidated. The possible impulse that we can see here, the possible 5-wave move to the upside, really only gets invalidated if we break below 23.5 cents. And this is the top of the wave A here. And if you count this as an impulse, this would be wave 1. Then we have wave 2 here, wave 3 to the upside. We would now have wave 4 to the downside. And wave 4 cannot come into the target area of that wave 1. So this would invalidate this possible uptrend. But the way just this pattern or the chart behaves at the moment just makes it for me very unlikely that we're still going to see that. I think we are going to go lower from here, which doesn't mean we couldn't push up a little bit higher from here. Just a little bit of a retracement after this strong move down. And you can see that indicated here on the chart, that if you see this like a 1, 2, 3 pattern where we now are, that you have another wave 4 coming to the upside a little bit at least, and then the wave 5 down, just to show you where the price could be heading. However, I think that next wave 4 up would only be a shallow one and would not make a higher high here. Looking at the indicators here as well, they confirm basically the downtrend. In the last video, we had a bit of mixed messages. We were here, mixed messages. We were here in this triangle pattern, sideways movement here, consolidation. And in the last video, we were still in the bullish range on the RSI. But we could already see that we're probably going to see a bearish crossover on the MACD. Now we have seen that, and together with that, we have moved on the daily RSI as well in the bearish range. So indicating further downside potential, okay? You also see this on the 4-day chart where the RSI has dropped into the bearish range. On the weekly, not yet, that we are still bullish on the weekly. But if we take a look at the imminent price chart here, that is what I meant. We can see that we are on the 4-hour chart now oversold. So you can see probably now a little bit of sideways movement and maybe slight upside, because we just massively oversold now on the 4-hour chart, and possibly also here on the day on the 1 hour. Yes, already starting to move up slightly again, and that is just because it was oversold. So you need to see now a little bit of a counter reaction where now some buyers come in. I think the price is at a good value, so they will bring the price up a little bit. Possibly now here in this wave 4. It remains to be seen if this is already the wave 3 low. Could now come up here in a wave 4 a little bit before we then come down in a wave 5. So I think we're going to see certainly the 23.5 cent level. If we lose that, I think then we're going to see the 15.6 7 again, as we had here the low on the 22nd of January. And I sincerely hope the price will not drop lower, because then we have to expect a longer recovery. Yeah, it will then take much longer for the price to recover. At the moment, I don't think so. I think we should really see here a reversal in this area. And if we, or when we finally see that reversal to the upside, that should then be a wave 3. A wave 3 is typically the most bullish one and should take us at least to 133. Yeah, but if you have the right metaverse hype going on, then it could even push higher than that. Yeah, that's currently my view here on GALA. Hope you liked the quick update about GALA. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. And if you don't want to miss any update and want more content, maybe check out the channel membership. There's a lot of additional content on Discord. There's a Telegram live chat and a weekly live stream. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.